Under the water heater.
So you've been out here watching it, sort of?
Yeah, we've been since I saw it.
What colour stag was it?
It was dark brown with like lighter brown stripes.
Oh, okay. How big?
I think it was about that round,
Oh, okay.
but yeah,
It wasn't a blue tone.
I don't think so. It looked like it slithered.
Oh, really?
Told you so. As soon as he couldn't see it, he's like, no, won't be there. Won't find anything.
Oh, he's coming out. His head's out the other side here.
Hey?
Head's
Yep.
out the other side. Oh, it's a lizard.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a lizard. I can see a leg.
Yeah, it's just a blue tone.
Oh,
You want to leave it there? You got dogs or cats around you?
No. Jesus, Ham. Silly Ham. Told ya. This thing was the grass.
One blue tone lizard. So, do you want it here or can I let it go again?
yeah,
Whatever,
just
doesn't
let
It's
it go.
just eating ants and snails and spiders. One blue tongue. Oh well. There's the breaks. They do look like tiger snakes. People always get them confused because they see the scales and they see the stripes.
Yeah,
So where do you want to put him?
yeah. This is like for turtles and snakes. And
Oh, was it?
yeah.
Oh, it's alright. It happens all the time.
Scared the crap out of me.
It happens all the time. Yeah, he's home now.